tell y'all why me and my close friend of like 4 years cut each other off cold turkey like last week. This bitch. Got 2 weeks ahead of time. We made plans to spend the day on a lazy river that's downtown my area and go out that same night. 2 weeks. 2 weeks prior! Right? She live an hour away. You know, we got some distance. So we gotta plan this shit. So we made the plans or whatever. Cool. Everything's set in stone. I texted her the day before. And I said, are you planning on spending the night? Because, you know, we spending the whole day together. We're gonna go out. We're gonna probably, you know, have a good time. It's gonna be late. Do you want to spend the night? She texted me back. She said, oh, I have plans, boo. Boo. Huh? I thought we had plans. So I texted her back. I'm like, oh, I thought we... And she was like, oh, I, you know, mixed up the days. Let me, like, sort it out. And I was like, okay, like, I get it. Like, are we still good, though? And she's like, yeah. So now it's the day of. She's supposed to be in my house at 12 o'clock. It's about 11, an hour before. So, me, I'm up. I'm ready to go. I packed the bag, got us some drinks, got us towels, got us tubes, everything we need for the day. She texts me, she's like, oh, I just woke up. I'm super sick. Bitch! I sense a lie. I know you're lying. But you know what? I don't have the energy. So I just said, okay, feel better. Whatever, bitch. Whatever. As the day progresses, she is shamelessly posting all on her story. She out, she drinking, she having a good time, she hanging out with her friends, she getting lit, she, you know, shamelessly. So I'm looking at the story like, I thought you was sick as a dog. Couldn't make it to these plans we planned 2 weeks ago that you confirmed last night. Okay. So I'm coming on her story and I'm like, girl, I knew you were lying. And she said, oh, I just wasn't feeling good about my body. I didn't want to be in a bikini. Ew, anyways, what? Like, I said, so say that. You literally could have said that. Why did you have to? I'm feeling bad. Oh, she's so sick. Trying to feel bad because I know you fucking lying in the first place. You could have just said that. You know what I mean? Her response to me saying just say that, off the charts. She responds to me and says, girl, I know you're not talking. It doesn't matter what my reason was, the outcome's still the same. Oh my God. And I'm telling you, me and this girl have never had an issue. Our friendship has just been friendship. We've never had a falling out. We've never had an argument. We've never had an issue. We've always been cool as fuck. I'm trying to figure out where this bad vibe is coming from. I don't get it. So I don't even respond because, you know what? I have to choose peace. I really do, because I'm at the point in my life where if I choose violence, it will quite literally be violence. You know what I mean? So I just never responded. I said, I don't know what's going on with her. I'm going to leave it be. I never responded. About a week later, she texted me. She said, are we beefing? Are we beefing right now? I said, no, we don't have beef. I just don't feel like being friends with somebody who is getting super sassy and defensive after blatantly lying to me. Her response was something along the lines of like, it doesn't matter if you're my friend, my family, my man. I don't have to tell you nothing. I don't have to tell you no reason as to why I don't want to do something. That's just how I feel. I don't owe nobody nothing. What's that little violin? Boo fucking who, bitch. I don't. At this point. So I said, oh, okay. If that's how you feel, then this just lied. Like, blatantly lied to me. And then shamelessly posted that you, in fact, were lying all over your story for me to see. And now you're upset that I'm upset. Oh my God, that's crazy. That sounds like actually you're gaslighting me. Okay, so her last response to me was, well, you gave that man this many chances and you can't even give it to your friend? Oh my fucking goodness. You know, because of that man, that's the reason I'm not allowing people to treat me this way anymore. Does that make sense to you? It makes sense to me. Because I gave that person so many chances after disrespecting me, why would I continue to let everybody get chances to disrespect me? I learned my lesson, oh! Bitch, I learned my lesson! Apparently I needed to stop being friends with your fuck ass. Oh my God, I can't. And she probably will see this. Girl, fuck you. Truly, seriously, fuck you. That was an asshole ass move. And I love you, girl. But fuck you.